Hello friends, hope you all are doing very good. In this video, I'll be showing how to set up a tent. To set up your tent, very first thing you would want to set up is lay down your tarp, and so that you don't feel gravel which is on the surface below. Like you can see small gravels. After you have laid down tarp, put your tent on the tarp folded, and next thing is we'll unfold all the four corners of this tent and we'll insert tent pipe which will maintain structure of the tent. Now all the four corners of the tent is overlaid on the tarp, and we have these pipes which we will insert in one of these corner, and this pipe will diagonally go to the other corner, and this pipe has an elastic in between, like if you see over here, right? Now this got inserted into this stick joint. At this time all the four corners of the tent is overlaid on the tarp, and right now what we have to do is we have to insert this stick in one corner and insert the same stick on the opposite corner diagonally, and tent has a hook, so these hook we will place it on top of the stick which is going diagonally. Same thing we have to do for the other diagonal also. And how this stick works is, this stick has a elastic thread going inside it, and I can keep it straight, then one end of this pipe will go inside the socket, and then this becomes a straight stick. Now it is a straight stick. If you see third one over here also, as soon as I keep it straight, it will go inside socket by itself. So now this stick is this long. Similarly, I'll keep this straight and this will insert into the socket. So it has got inserted into the socket, and you can see a little bit bend over here. So this bend is to give this tent a dome-like structure. I am inserting one end of the stick into the holder on the corner of the tent. As you can see, one end of the stick is inserted into the holder, and this stick is now in the dome structure, and other end is also inserted into the next holder. Now what we'll do is we'll clip on the tent on this stick, and same we have to do on the other side. You may need 2 person to set up a tent, or you may do it by 1 person itself. So at this point, if you are a single person, you may face some difficulty. What you can do is you can lay down the stick and you can insert the hook and let it be laid down, and once you insert on the other diagonal end, and eventually tent will come into the dome structure. At this point our tent setup is done. Now we have to mount a rain cover on top of this tent so that we don't get rain or either the mist in the night. So we'll do that next. I hope you have found this video informative. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.